before I wrote this. So, now, now I'm getting very wet here. I don't mind, but yeah. So I was thinking, maybe a Q&A video, because I have a couple of, I say about 6, 7 people saying that I should do a Q&A video, questions and answers, if you didn't know. Yeah, so if you want to do that, just leave some questions down below in the bikini bar thing, in the comment section, and I will make another video answering all your questions. Good old English weather, huh? I have no idea if you can hear me because I have kind of like a plastic bag over my whole camera. It's very funny. I would show you, but I don't have a mirror. Maybe I'll take a picture of it later. Go for a walk. So, where are we going? I have no idea. Maybe to the playhouse. Oh, I love our tree. There's very pretty things in the tree. Okay, one thing I love about the rain is when there's a gigantic puddle, switch on your little welly boot, go whoosh. Maybe that was just a little too wet for me. But I want it to continue raining, so... Good old computer graphics, hey? So, yeah, Q&A video. You can ask me anything, and however many questions you want to ask. And, yeah. Also, my friend Cree is having... What do you mean? Friend Cree has made a collab channel. So, if you all know that, my collab channel is called xcolor/TV. This collab channel is called 5 Teens Weekly, and is pretty similar to xcolor/. So if you didn't get into that one, you can go and audition to this one. The link is here. Yeah, try to help. Also, like, less than a month away, I am going to MCM London. MCM! Yeah. I've been wanting to go to one of these for ages. So I'm going as Kairi from Kingdom of Hearts. And I have to wear a wig. And I look strange with this wig on because I just don't suit this colour. That I'll show you. See what I mean? I need to kind of make it less puffy because it's all puffy and big. Yeah, so I have to wear this for a whole day up to London. Wish me luck. And I'm going to leave you with a couple of the links so you just remember to click them. Bye!